everyone, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you 4 new DIYs that I made. Very simple, very easy, and extremely budget friendly to make. I hope that you like and enjoy it because I really love how these projects turn out, and if you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and please make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And guys, remember to follow me on my social media pages. I have Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and my webpage DIYbyjazz.com. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. I hope that you like and enjoy today's video, and let's get started. Okay guys, for the first project I'm going to be using this square wooden box that I already had at home. It is from Michael's and I think you can get this for only $1, and this will be the base for my project. I'm also going to be using 4 of these mini round dowels that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick one on each edge of the box with hot glue. I'm gonna try to form like a pyramid, so I have to keep holding the dowels until the glue dries so they don't fall off. To reinforce all the dowels together on the top, I'm going to be gluing a wooden bead with hot glue. But first, you can give it more details to this project, and for that I'm going to be using this shower curtain ring, and I'm going to put it in the hole that the bead has. This is going to look like a hanging system, and I think it's going to look so cute in our project. Once all this is nice and stick together, I'm going to start painting all my lantern with a coat of my Waverly chalk paint in black color. Once the paint dries, this is going to be the result of our project, and I love how it looks. I just add a candle and some succulents just to give a pop of color, and I love how simple and easy it was to make and how it turned out. For the second project, I will be using this type of plastic plate. You can use anything that you have at home. This one is actually from Dollar Tree, and I will also be using beads. These are the same ones that I used in the first DIY that I put on the top of the dowels, and the same ones that I use in many other projects. And what I'm going to be doing is sticking all these beads in the plate next to each other. I get these beads from Amazon, and the package brings 300 in 2 different sizes for a very good price. So in the video description, you can find the link of where you can get these beads. Once I glue all the beads around my plate, I decide to put another plate on the other side of this one just to give the beads some support, just to make sure the beads are not going to fall down. From there, I decided to paint my tray, and the fastest way was to use my spray paint, and I used my black ultra matte, and once I done, I let it dry very well, and this is how it's going to look. I decided to place these Dollar Tree pots as the base of my tray. I'm going to leave it the same color it was already, and I'm just going to put some hot glue on it, and I'm going to glue the beads tray on the top. Finally, you just have to add a small decor pieces to your tray, and this will be the result of our second project. This tray was inspired by many photos that you can see on Pinterest or in many stores, and I just recreate these for a fraction of the price, and I really love the contrast of colors that I decided to use, and I think it turned out so cute. For the third project, I'm going to be using this random piece of wood that I found in my stash, and I think it was from my Kate's Beds ladder, and I just thought of transforming these into a really nice decor piece. So I'm going to be using these square wooden dowels that I have. It measures 12 inches long, and I'm going to be cutting it into 4 pieces in the same size, and they are going to be 3 inches each. I'm going to glue 2 dowels on each side of the wood piece, but before gluing them, I'm going to use another wooden dowel, and I'm going to cut 2 other pieces and be able to form the handles. I'm going to make handles with these dowels, and I'm going to be gluing the dowels using hot glue. Once I have the handles done, I'm going to be painting them with my Waverly chalk paint in black color. I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to glue them to the sides of the big wooden piece. Guys, to recreate this project, you can use any piece of wood that you have in your house. Just add some handles and create a beautiful decor piece for your home. To decorate this piece, you can use maybe jars with flowers, or you can use candles as I did. I'm going to be placing 3 of these candles that are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be placing boxwood from Walmart around it. Guys, this will be the result of the project, and I love how it looks, and I love that you can do many projects with high-end looking, using just things that you have in your house to create something different and unique. For the last project, I'm going to be using stir sticks, and you can find them at Walmart for 97 cents. You can get this from Home Depot or Amazon, and I'm going to be leaving you the link in case you are interested in get this from Amazon. And I'm going to be using 5 long stir sticks and 4 of the smallest size. And I'm actually going to be cutting the design that they have on one end of the sticks with my saw machine. From there, all you need to do is place them on the top of each other in different directions to form a big wall piece. Guys, you can create your own design and shape, and once you have that part ready, it's time to paint your stair sticks, and you can paint them all the same color, or you can use different colors to create more dimension. 3 of my sticks are going to be painted with my Waverly wax in antique color, and once they are dry, I'm going to put them back where they were to keep the shape I want from the beginning. Then I'm going to get another 2 sticks and I'm going to paint them with my black paint. And once they are dry, I'm going to be placing them where they're supposed to go, and that way I'm going to be keeping the shape and the design that I really want. Two other sticks are going to be painted in a gray color. I didn't have paint of that color at home, so I just mixed some black and white paint to be able to do it. And guys, I always dry my projects using my heat tool. I think it is the easier and fastest option, and in the description box you can find the link of this heat tool just in case you are interested. I paint the last 2 sticks with my Waverly chalk paint in mineral color, but I actually mixed it with a little bit of white paint to make it look a little bit lighter. Once all the sticks are paint dry in place in the way that I like, I can start using my hot glue gun, and I'm going to be putting that hot glue in the parts where each stick intersect. And guys, you can also use wood glue because that way is going to be much stronger. In order to hang these projects on the wall, you can put tooth hangers on the back side, or you can stick small pieces of popsicle sticks like I did, and then be able to hang your DIY on the wall. And guys, this will be the result of our last project, and I love how it looks. It has a pretty good size, and it cost me only $2 to make because I just have the paint always at home, and all the projects turned out amazing with a really high-end looking and extremely budget friendly. I hope that you like and enjoy today's video. Please, if you do, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends and family. And remember to follow me on my social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and my webpage DIYbyJaz.com. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video. And yeah, that's it guys. I love you so much. See you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.